Here's a question from Lesson 6, Activity 8. Jeremy Johnson's statement balance is $523.11. He has two outstanding checks, one for $32.10 and the others for $198.33. What is Jeremy's adjusted balance? All right, pretty straightforward. We first identify the variable that we're solving for, which in this case is adjusted balance. Great. Now pull the formula for adjusted balance from your formula sheet. Hopefully you're using the one I provided for you. Otherwise, it's also okay to use one that you create yourself. So adjusted balance is equal to statement balance minus outstanding checks. So let's plug it in. Statement balance is $523.11. So $523.11, and I'm going to subtract outstanding checks. I'm subtracting the sum of these checks. So I take $32.10 and I add $198.33. Those are the individual balances. Now, it would be equivalent to write $523.11 minus $32.10 minus $198.33 because this subtraction symbol gets distributed. So whichever way makes more sense to you is fine. From here, it's just a matter of simple subtraction, and in total, I find that my adjusted balance is equal to $292.68. Let's run through one more. Okay, the balance on Diane Simmons' check register is $1,150.25. Her bank statement shows a balance of $2,261.50. She has two outstanding checks, the amounts are given, and she remembers she took cash from an ATM but never wrote down the amount, so we have to figure out the amount that she withdrew. So what is the amount of her cash withdrawal? Same approach here. We identify the variable that we're solving for, and then we pull the equation that corresponds with it. Cash withdrawal equals balance minus check registers minus checks. Let's plug in what we know. So cash withdrawal, what we're solving for, equals balance. It says her bank statement shows a balance of $2,261.50. Let's plug it in. Minus, same technique here with our checks. So let's see, check register is $1,150.25, $1,150.25 minus checks. So her two outstanding checks, so we subtract the sum of these checks, which is $600 and $307.25. Now we've set up our equation and all we have left is to execute. So cash withdrawal equals $2,261.50 minus $1,150.25 minus the sum of $600 and $307.25. When I simplify, I get $204 even.